Hey everyone, hopefully you are all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am reviewing the Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation. As you can see on my hands, I have fair tone shade. I just apply a few drops in my palm. I have applied the foundation on one side only. Now I start blending and it has covered most of the marks and discoloration without feeling too heavy. The formula gives medium to full coverage and blends easily, especially when applied with a sponge or a finger. As you can see, this side of my face with foundation look more even and smooth. The finish is semi-matte, not too oily and not too dry. It feels lightweight on the skin, and I think it works well for normal to combination skin types. Now you can see the finish. I have applied the foundation on one side only, as you can see. And on the other side, my skin is completely natural. This side by side comparison shows how the foundation helps even out the complexion. What I like about this foundation is its shade range for South Asian skin tones, its long lasting wear, and the fact that it's fragrance free and halal certified. So look at this side and this side. So you can clearly see the before and after comparison. As you can see, this side of my face with foundation look more even and smooth, very flawless finish. If we talk about their cons, on very dry skin, it may cling to patches without moisturizer. For very oily skin, you may need setting powder or primer. Shade matching can be a little bit tricky. So overall, the Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation is a good everyday foundation if you want a natural yet polished look. So this is a true review of Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation. It is a very flawless foundation. So bye bye, take care. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for latest update. and also press the bell icon. Take care till next video. Bye bye.